Hi guys, thank you for watching DreamSpree Studio Yoga. My name is Shannon, this is Chappy. Today we're going to go through a short chair flow. If you have some mobility issues or maybe some back pain or if your wrists hurt or if you're just at the office and this is the best way for you to get some yoga in, this is a nice accessible way to do it. What you need is a sturdy chair. So usually something from your kitchen table works out well, but make sure it's sturdy, no folding chairs. If you have any questions about this flow as you go through it, please drop me a comment. If there's something that is not accessible for you and you need some adjustments, let me know. See if I can help you with that. If you like yoga videos, please subscribe to my channel. I put out new videos every week, and you can check out my website at DreamSpreeStudio.com. Go ahead, get into a comfortable seat, and put your hands on your lap and close your eyes. Begin to focus in on your breathing. And if you'd like to set an intention for your practice, something to bring your mind back to in case it begins to wander, and something to bring forward into the rest of your day, now's a good time. On your next inhale, go ahead and float your eyes open. Inhale the arms out to the side in a T. Exhale, inhale them up overhead. And exhale over to the left side. Bring the hand over to the side of your chair. You can grab one of the legs if you'd like. And just go over to the left, looking underneath the right elbow. Just breathe into the stretch. You're trying to open up, twist out to the side. Don't collapse forward. On an inhale, come back to center and exhale over to the right side, looking underneath the left elbow. Again, you can grab one of the legs on the chair. On an inhale, let's come back to center and go back over to the left side. Inhale and exhale over to the right side. Inhale back to center. Bring the arms out into a T. Exhale. Inhale up tall. Come over towards the left. Bring the left hand behind. You can take the arm and rest it on the back of the chair. You can bring the hand on the left knee and just twist, look behind you. On your next inhale, bring everything back to center, arm in a T. Bring the arm to the back of the chair, bring the left hand over to the knee, and twist and look behind you. Inhale back to center and bring the hands down to the sides. Now we're going to pick up the right hand, bring it over to the head, and just tilt the head over to the right side. If that's too much for the neck, just let it go. You're not pulling on the neck, you're just using the hand for a little weight. And breathe. If you'd like, you can do some little micro rolls forward and back. Inhale back to center, bring the hands down. We're going to switch sides. Bring the left hand up, put it on the head, and tilt over to the left side. Breathing space into that side of the neck. Maybe you can do some little micro rolls forwards and back. Release the head and bring the hands to the side. Scoot forward on your chair just a little bit so that you're taking up about half the chair. Make sure the feet are flat on the ground. Bring the hands to the knees. We're going to do seated cat and cow. So on an inhale, just arch forward. Tilt the head back. On an exhale, arch back. Tilt the head forward. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, pulling the shoulders back. And exhale, curling them forward. Just keep going with your own breathing. One more round. Inhale and exhale. Come back to a neutral spine. Now we're going to do a bit of a modified forward fold. So bring the arms out to the sides in a T. Bring them back up overhead. Bring them to heart center in prayer. And fold forward towards the knees. If you need a little extra stability, you can always grab the side of the chair and just come as far as is comfortable for you. If you can go all the way forward and bring the hands to the feet, that's good. If you want to keep them here at the knee, you're going to grab the side of the chair and just let your head hang. Keep breathing. On your next inhale, come all the way up. Hands overhead and hands to heart center in prayer. Let's do that again. Bring the arms out. Inhale up. Bring them through center and exhale down. Forward fold. Take one more breath here. Inhale back up. Bring the arms overhead. Exhale to heart center in prayer. You can close your eyes really quickly. So together, let's breathe. Inhale, let. And at the top of the inhale, open your mouth and just let it go. Let go. Relax, bring the arms to the sides. We're going to come over to the right side in a lunge. So just take the right foot, bring it forward, and turn towards the right side. Let the left hip drop off a little bit so you're sitting on your right cheek. Bring the foot behind you. Inhale the arms up. In high lunge. Getting a good stretch here through the hip. If you cannot extend the foot all the way, that's fine. Just leave it bent. Just exactly where you are is exactly where you need to be. Just keep breathing here. On your next inhale, you're going to turn the left foot parallel to the back of the room and then shift backwards a little bit. So you're really opening up through here. And then open up the hands in Warrior Two. You're opening up the chest, gazing over the right hand. On your next inhale, flip the right hand over. Take the left hand and just go down the left leg. And come back looking underneath the right hand in Peaceful Warrior. If you need more stability, you can always grab the side of the chair instead of your leg. Don't grab your leg. You can always hold on to the side of the chair. Inhale back up through center, and then exhale, bring the hand to the right knee. You can stay here with the hand. If you are able, you can bring the right elbow down And then just rotate the left arm around, come up into side angle. Keep breathing. You're breathing space into the body. On your next inhale, come back up into Warrior Two. Just bring everything back to center with your feet flat. Inhale up. Exhale down, forward fold. Inhale back up. Arms overhead. Exhale, hands to heart center in prayer. We're going to go to the other side. So you're going to shift the hips to the left side, bringing the left foot forward, right foot back. Just shift it back as far as you can. Remember, you're keeping the left hip on the chair. And rise up with your arms overhead. High lunge. And remember, if you can't stretch the leg all the way out, that's okay. Keep it bent. On your next inhale, you're going to spin the right foot. You're just opening up to the side more. So you're spinning the right foot towards the back, opening up the chest, coming into Warrior Two. Gazing over the left fingers. On an inhale, flip the left hand over. You can reach down the right, or you can grab one of the legs on the chair and just come back. Peaceful warrior. Inhale back through center. You can bring the hand to the left knee or bring the elbow down, whatever is comfortable for you. And just come over with the right arm, rotating up, spinning outwards as you do. Looking up overhead, side angle. Inhale back up into Warrior Two. And just bring everything back to center with the feet flat. Inhale up, arms overhead, hands through heart center in prayer. Exhale down, forward fold. Inhale back up, hands to heart center in prayer. Now bring the hands down to the sides. You can pick up your right leg and just cross your legs. Now, if this is enough for you, just stay there. If it's comfortable for you to kind of tripod the legs out like this, or maybe this is where you can go. Wherever you're at, it's exactly where you need to be. Reach the right arm behind you to the back of the chair. Inhale the left arm up overhead and exhale to the side. You're going to grab the knee and just rotate to look behind you. Get a little bit more of a hip stretch on this side. And just keep breathing into it. Inhale, unwind, bring the knee down. You're going to switch sides. So again, prop the other leg up, bring the left arm behind, hold the back of the chair. Inhale up with the right arm, come over to the side of the knee, and exhale, look behind you. Nice, easy twist. Getting a little more into the hips. On your next inhale, unwind, bring everything back to center, bring the foot down, and scoot back a little bit in your chair. Bring the hands either upwards to receive energy or down if you need more grounding energy and calm. And go ahead and close your eyes and begin to relax. Imagine yourself relaxing from the top of your head, between your eyes, Relax the jaw, the throat. Relax across your chest, shoulders. Let your arms and hands relax. Relax all the way down the spine into the hips. Imagine any tension you have left in your legs, ankles, and feet. Just let it go. Imagine all the tension melting away into the ground beneath you. Feel how you are supported by gravity with no effort at all. Feel how you are supported and you are safe. You could stay here in meditation as long as you like, but if you need to, go ahead and make some small movements with the fingers and toes, wiggling them around. Maybe some rotations with the ankles and feet. You can roll your head a little from side to side. Just bring your awareness back into the body. And let's take a big breath together. Inhale. Open your mouth and let it go. Exhale. Bring your hands to heart center in prayer. Notice how your body feels differently than when you began your practice. And thank yourself for taking a little time to do something good for you today. You can open your eyes. The light in me honors the light in you. Namaste. Thank you so much for spending a little time with me today. If you like this practice, please like and subscribe to my channel. I put out more videos every week. If you have a video you'd be interested in seeing, drop me a comment and let me know. I hope to see you next time.